What's up, everybody? This is Major League Fishing Pro Randy Howell. I won the Bassmaster Classic 2014 here at Lake Guntersville, where I live now, and I wanted to let you guys know about Fred's Fishing Adventures on YouTube. If you hadn't checked it out yet, man, he's got some cool stuff, so check it out. Don't forget to subscribe. You're gonna learn some cool stuff on there. You might even see me on there one day, I don't know. Fred, hit me up. We got to do a video, all right? So good luck, God bless. Hope to meet you guys on the lake somewhere on the water or at a Bass Pro event one day. Check us out on Major League Fishing and follow us throughout the year. Got some cool tournaments coming your way all over the country on the Bass Pro Tour, MajorLeagueFishing.com. Thanks for following us. Randy Howell Fishing on Facebook and Instagram. Take care. God bless. We'll see you on the water.
What's going on, you guys? Welcome back to another video. We're gonna do a catch and cook for you guys today. We're gonna fry up some pike and some catfish, so you guys stay tuned for that. It's gonna be a good one. What's going on here? Taking all the red stuff off.
Yeah, the fatty fishy flavor. Not much meat on there anyway, so we can go ahead and throw that in that pile.
All right, now that we got our little nuggets chopped up, we're gonna go over some ingredients that we're gonna use. We got that beer batter flour mix, and then we got ourselves a beer, because we can't have beer batter without a beer. Don't drink unless you're 21. So what are we gonna do, Joe? What do we got?
We're gonna mix this dry batter here.
Okay. With the beer?
Yes, sir. Has some tomato clamato in it, so it gives it some spice.
Sounds good. This is like a wet batter, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
Did you know we were temporaring?
That's what this
Tempering?
is.
Is that what that is? Okay.
Temper, remember?
TJ?
That's what I had to talk to you about too.
Shameless.
You know what? I was saying some stuff, but I didn't know what I was saying, and I needed some confirmation on what I was
Shameless
saying.
Fisher Joe plug. That's a cool
Hey.
Hey, whoa.
I like largies.
Yeah, largemouth
It
are
tastes
cool.
good.
Largemouth don't like us lately, but hey, man. CPR, Joe.
Hey, sometimes. They're big enough. But if there's some eaters, ain't nothing wrong with it.
We love to eat some fish around here.
I just love to eat.
That's a cool cutting board, though.
Right on. It's a gift, man.
It's nice. So,
Put that to the side.
mix up,
before I
was it
drink
tempura, right?
Yeah.
Mix up the tempura
shit. I was
sauce.
saying it wrong.
And what are you just putting more dry and make it
Yeah,
thicker?
make it a little bit thicker.
Okay. Nice. Make it all whipped.
Yes, sir.
Emphasis on the H.
Cool.
Some whipped tempura.
And that's where it's not all chunky.
Yeah. All right, what's next? Got
What's
the
next is we're gonna
nuggets.
get some pike.
Mm-mm.
Caught
Pike
earlier
nuggets.
at Eagle's Nest. Mix it in a little bit more of this batter here. Get it all nice and coated. So go ahead and drop it in here.
All right, we're gonna put the pike nuggets from the tempura mix back into the dry batter over here. Evenly coat them up.
And this step right here is optional.
To double dunk.
Double dunk.
Gotta give it the double dunk, make it stick real good. repeat the process by putting the pike here.
I don't know. I think this will come out pretty good.
Yeah.
Just a guess.
What are you doing, man?
Nothing, looking up a recipe.
Oh, okay.
Okay.
All right, you guys, we're going to throw these nuggets here in the grease. Let them fry up. Some wet batter pike. It's going to be delicious. Put some more in there.
Yeah, I'm gonna make these ones cook.
Man, that got cooked quick. Getting golden crispy right away. It's because it's wet too, huh? The wet batter.
Too hot.
I think, or is this too hot?
Oh, it's too hot. Once you find that medium,
Extra medium. Medium.
that. You see, you use these like this, so it gives you some little couplers to put your slaw in. Hold it in there right nice and neat.
Slaw couplers.
Yeah, straw couplers. Some of that.
Patent pending. Slaw couplers.
See, this one you get double.
Heck yeah,
See,
double
get
dip.
two. Double slaw coasters. That might be-
Man, this looks so good. Look at that. Ooh. Man.
Put some of you guys
Let's
on
see.
here and get that double. Grab one.
I'll take a taste test, Anthony.
Yep.
Let's see. Try one day. Let's see.
See what that little coupler is about.
Couple is about to fall out.
Get in there. How's it taste?
Dude, that shit's bomb.
Amazing.
It's really good.
How's it taste, Joe?
Nah, I don't know,
Great.
dude. Never tried it before like that.
Don't taste like pike.
Nope.
Heck yeah. All right, let's try out some of these fish tacos. See if I can hold it all together. Oh man. Dude, that is good, dude. Oh my god. Did you?
Yeah. But I caught it on my hand.
That's how you're. Oh shoot. That is so good. Good job, Joe. It's good stuff.
Not me, that was everybody's knowledge on that.
Alright you guys, that's the end of the video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Big thanks to Randy Howell for giving us a shout out, showing the channel some love. We're going to have him on the channel one of these days and go fishing. And stay tuned for some more content, you guys. And always, good vibes. See you guys next time.